So hello everyone, today we have the Wuque Studio WS Quartz. This is the second installment of my Wuque Studio WS Switch series review. The last one I reviewed was the WS Yellows, which as I told you they were okay, but I felt that the sound was too clackily thin, if there's such a term. It was clacky and thin, particularly on the topping out, which I didn't really fall in love with. Needless to say, it's a good switch. It's smooth. The price point, if it's readily available in your area, is very competitive. It's just that I am really not into the topping out sound of that switch. So if you're into that sound profile, then maybe consider that. Alright? This one, however, the WS Quartz, I am really loving. Really loving and really digging the sound profile of this WS Quartz switches that Wuque sent over to us. So it's a similar price point switch, a little bit more expensive, $0.39 per switch. It's a linear switch made out of polycarbonate top and bottom housing, and the stem is a nylon material. This also has the 22mm double stage spring similar to the yellows. However, this has a heavier bottom out force of 60 grams as compared to the 53 of the yellows, and probably, I'm not sure, probably it's that heavier spring force that gives this a more deep, lively, and cohesive and solid topping out sound. So I am really happy that I think this switch is really good out of the box. Again, this is factory lubed, pre-lubed, and I haven't really opened them up one by one, but to tell you, based on my typing test and usage, the lube job is pretty consistent. Really good, really good. These are deeper sounding than the WS Yellows. I would compare the sound profile to that probably of the Fecker Matcha, maybe probably of the North Pole, and probably of the Aqua King's sound profile. And it's really good. It's really good. I'm really enjoying it. I'm not gonna even bother to lube this anywhere near in the near future, as I'm really enjoying using them right now. So that's all I have to say for this awesome switches. Good job, Wuque Studios. Full review of all the 4 switches that they sent me coming out soon. But for now, enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video.